Hello, my name is Simon Dames. I am a PR editor at Turk. Turk is a member of PACTware. In this video, I will show you how you can use PACTware to easily diagnose field device errors via networks. In our example, the network consists of a TH-Link gateway that establishes network access to the remote I/O station XCOM, the XCOM itself, and the connected field devices. Now we are simulating a wire break on the XCOM. We immediately receive an error message in the control system. Thanks to PACTware, we quickly know what the error is and where it has occurred. On the left, we can see the structure of the network, which consists of TH-Link, the XCOM remote I/O system, and the field devices. The PACTware function diagnostic scan, for example here in the context menu, searches for errors from all connected field devices. The diagnostics shows an error on the XCOM module AIH40. Via PACTware, we open the diagnostics view of the relevant module and see that a wire break occurred on channel 4. The exact error description provided by PACTware allows us to quickly locate and fix the errors. The error is now fixed. The diagnostics view in PACTware no longer displays the error message. And the status LED in XCOM also turns off. Thank you for your attention and feel free to watch the other videos. PACTware. Easy diagnosis via networks.